What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? We're going to be looking at this 1948 Buick Super. This thing right here is going for $12,000. I have seen this like yesterday. This thing was listed 12 days ago. It is in Georgia, Tifton, Georgia. This thing had been driven 49,476 miles. Manual transmission. Exterior is great. Interior is great. Fuel type is gasoline. It's currently had 2 owners, and of course, the vehicle is paid off. Let's go all the way back, y'all. 1948 Buick Supra with the 49,476 original miles. This rust-free car was in dry storage for over 30 years and recently had a radiator rebuilt, plugs, wire cap points, valve cover gaskets, battery, etc. Replaced. Car runs exceptionally well. New old Buick seat covers recently installed, but pictures in the listing show seats with and without covers. All gauges and lights are in working order. The only thing needed at this time are the new tires, and the current set are Sears Allstate from the 1950s, which are the wheels and all that were on it when I purchased the car. Appears to be repaint at some point in the original nickel gray factory color. This car is very stylish and sure to please whenever it's driven. And it has a clear title. Anyway, we're going to be looking at these pictures a little bit more, and I'm going to be giving y'all my input. Now, if y'all have driven in one of these before, which 1948, that's a long time ago, way back then, and for this car to be in storage for 30 years, it have been saved, honestly. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the pictures. All right, guys, it's gonna be pretty much it. If y'all made it this far, hope y'all consider subscribing, like the video, show it to your friends, family, or whoever. Let me know what y'all think about that 1948 Buick. I think it's a beauty. I love the body curves on it, and I love the interior. It's so crazy how back then, everything just so cushy, so simple, with the dash and the gauges and all. I don't know. I like the interior, look pretty cool. Let me know if y'all will leave the seat covers on, or would y'all just leave it gray. I think both of them look great if you have the seat covers or not. Honestly, I really think this car is worth around 12 grand and all that. That's what they want for it. I know these cars could range in the price range, depending. I know I wonder, depending on what if it's like a convertible or like the model and all that, these cars could potentially, if it's like in great mint condition, these things can go from like 20 to 30. But usually if it's been a project, maybe a lower end car or whatever, they typically go between like 9 to 15 grand and and I'm not saying this one like a lower end. The car been sitting in storage. They've been protected from the weather elements and all. So that's a good thing. Usually these older cars and all that be rusted out. You have to cut out, put in a whole new floor pan. You have to go extra mile and all that just to get them to their former glory. So the car looked like it had been very well taken care of. But anyway, that's going to be pretty much it. See y'all on the next car. And peace. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know if y'all came across this car before, or y'all seen it. What y'all thoughts down below. And hey, and if I see the owner or whoever bought this car, hey, let's see y'all. Because the other cars I've been talking about, either somebody bought it and they seen their own car, or the owner has seen it. So it's pretty cool for y'all to see y'all car on this page right here and all of that. And yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. So I see y'all. Peace.